Today I'm going to talk some words about defects in Arabic, English and Urdu. So let's start. Al-ahatu defects, naqais, a'ma, nabina, blind, a'waru, kana, one-eyed, a'raju, langara, lame, cripple, asammu, behra, deaf, ghabiyun, bewaqoof, stupid, foolish, marizun, बीमार, sick, ضعيف, कमजोर, weak, अहवलु, भेंगा, cross eyed, अहदबु, कुबड़ा, humpbacked, अखरसु, गूंगा, mute, dumb, अकरउ, गंजा, blight, अलीलुन, बीमार, sick, ill.
Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like in this video and share this video to all of your friends, students, kids, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.